This is the easiest and fastest way to make money online, and you don't even need money to do this. Hopefully you are one of the first 10,000 people that will see this video, because this is definitely crazy. Go to your store and download this Tendo application. They sell a lot of stuff here, right? So when I open it, I try and find an item that I want to sell. Let's see this portable plastic laptop stand, right? Check out the price. It says what, 65 cedis. So this is what you're going to do. Once you open this, you just find a download, and I download all these images. And I actually choose how much profit I want to put on this. So this is actually 65 cedis. I want to add maybe, let's say, 40 cedis profit, because I think I can actually sell this for about 110. Now, all you have to do is that the pictures that you've downloaded, go and put it on your WhatsApp status, or maybe if you have followers on Facebook or Instagram, put it there, put the price there for 105. Anybody that will contact you to purchase this, all you have to do is that take the person's details, come to this application and purchase this item and put the person's details in there. Tendo is going to deliver this item to them. And once they deliver it and take their money, you're going to get your cash right there. It is so cool. Tendo will deliver it for you. They will send you your profit that you put on the item. And to even make it better, check this out. Any item that anybody purchases from you, if you use my referral code when you are signing up from now to the end of April, any item that anybody buys from you, they are not going to pay for delivery. Tendo is going to deliver it, and the person is still going to pay and send you your profits.